So every time there is a dump in Bitcoin price or cryptocurrency market in general, people just start losing their left and right and they just start panic selling, which has exactly happened yesterday and today as well. The cryptocurrency market is down, Bitcoin price is down, Ethereum, pretty much all the major cryptocurrencies have gone down by 10% or 15%. The total crypto market cap stands at 2.1 trillion, which is down from 2.5 trillion or maybe 2.6 trillion from last month. Now, for me, or pretty much all the people who have been in crypto space for a longer time, it was very predictable. And in one of my videos, I believe from April or May, I did a small technical analysis where I predicted that the Bitcoin price will be hitting 52,000 level mark, and maybe it might slightly dump to 48,000 mark as well, because the 200-day moving average or maybe 99-day moving average of Bitcoin stands at $52,000. And when the market is dumping, people are selling like crazy. It might go down to 48,000 or maybe $47,000. Now everyone is panicking like this has happened for the first time, but believe me, this is the fourth halving. I have been part of last two halvings and I have seen this trend over the years, in the last 8 years specifically. Every time it is exactly the same thing. Right after halving, the price declines, and after 8 to 12 weeks, price just shoots up. So in today's video, I will be showing you 5 reasons. Well, there are technically more than 5 reasons, but we'll be discussing the top 5 reasons why the cryptocurrency market in general and Bitcoin specifically is down. What is the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market in 2024 and 2025? Will there be a bull run, or is it time for some bearish trends? And lastly, I will be giving my price prediction for the end of 2024 and 2025 for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So stop stressing and watch this video till the end, because you will be learning so much about crypto and how post-halving bull market takes place in every cycle. But before everything, subscribe to the channel, that really helps. Like the video, press the bell icon so that I can keep creating these videos for you every single day. And believe me, it pays $0 a year to make these videos every single day. So make sure to subscribe, because that is the only motivational force for me to create these videos every single day. A general disclaimer that this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for entertainment purpose only. Now, my name is Daniel and welcome to Crypto Bull. Let's jump right into this. Alright, so this is an article that I found on the internet which pretty much summarizes the entire situation beautifully, and it has penned down 5 major reasons why the cryptocurrency market is dumping, and we'll be going through each and every reason, and I'll try to explain what is happening behind the scenes and what you need to do during these uncertain times. So the first reason, which is kind of a no-brainer, is major outflow and whale movement. So remember, on January 10th, 2024, the first Bitcoin ETF was approved, and I believe there are more than 11 ETFs which were approved in a single shot. And just a few weeks ago, Ethereum ETF was partially approved, and the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum just skyrocketed in the last 365 days. I believe we have done more than 100 to 150% on Bitcoin in the last 365 days, which is a massive gain. And people are still wondering why we are in the bear phase at $70,000 level, which is hilarious. So everyone who invested initially for the Bitcoin ETF are cashing out now, because Bitcoin has touched its all-time high, which is 75,000, maybe 76,000, and it went stagnant at around $70,000, $68,000 level, and it wasn't going higher than that level because there were no major inflows coming in on Bitcoin. Now those whales have already cashed out and they have taken their profit. So here we have the numbers according to the Loon Chain, which is the most reliable source when it comes to crypto data and analytics. We have seen some massive outflows in a single day, which were collectively somewhere around 18 million. But there's a twist. I want to show all of you that the Bitcoin 24-hour daily volume of trading alone is somewhere around 45.89 billion, basically $46 billion, billion with a B. So it does not matter if there's a 20 million in outflows or maybe 25 million in outflows in a single day. These outflows just cause panic, and all of these whales who are cashing out with their profits, they will be buying in again at a lower price. I have been in crypto space since 2016 and I have been seeing this exactly same chart over and over again in the last 8 years. So trust me when I say this, that the price will go high in next 12 to 14 weeks. Reason number two is rising liquidation, which makes so much sense because we were in middle of a mini bull market since January. The prices have been on the rise. People have been opening long positions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, pretty much anything on centralized exchange that they can find. They opened up some long positions, and this is time for these positions to get liquidated. Just yesterday alone, we saw a massive liquidation of $36 million. But again, I want to remind you all that Bitcoin's 24-hour daily volume alone was $46 billion. It does not matter if there's a liquidation of 36 million, 40 million. We have seen worse previously in the FTX collapse, and we might see worse in the future as well. So it does not matter. Stop panic selling because it is time to accumulate more and more. Now here's the data that 14 million was liquidated yesterday. Today, the number has reached 36 million. Again, it does not matter. In short term, the price of crypto market or Bitcoin might go down, and this will be just a temporary affair. This has happened at least hundreds of times, if I'm not exaggerating. I have seen this at least hundreds of times. And it was supposed to happen because Bitcoin's buy range, according to the experts, is between 48,000 to 52,000. And once it will be in that range, there will be a lot of buy volume. People will be buying in again, and it will take off from that position. Now, reason number three, miners struggle. So this has been discussed a lot in the last few days that miners are struggling to make profits at this hash rate. So since the halving, the difficulty has gone up, the hash rate has gone down. And now if you're running an entire mining operation, according to the experts, it is not profitable to mine further. So a lot of these miners are just pulling the plug on the mining operations, or they're switching towards proof of work tokens like Ethereum, Solana, etc., which have a higher profitability. And that makes so much sense because in the last 3 months, I have seen that miners mine the Bitcoin and they have just liquidated the Bitcoin that very same day. The reason is they all knew that once the hash rate will go down, the difficulty level post halving will go up, the profits will squeeze in. Now, reason number four, which has been quite a funny one, the German government has caused quite a panic in the Bitcoin world or cryptocurrency world because they have been moving their crypto, specifically Bitcoins, from one wallet to another wallet, from hot wallet to exchange wallet to cold wallet. Now, until now, they haven't sold a single Bitcoin. But just because of these transactions, which people are tracking, people have started to panic sell because we are in middle of a recession. The German government, just like pretty much all the governments, wants to cash out their profit from the ETFs. They need some fiat currency, fiat money. They just want to cash out their profits in Bitcoin. Now, once again, they haven't sold a single Bitcoin till date, as you can see here. So this can go either way. Let's assume they sell maybe $25 million worth of Bitcoin. I want to remind all of you once again that the market cap of Bitcoin alone is more than $1 trillion, even at this price. The price of Bitcoin has fallen further to 53,921, basically 53,000 range now, which is exactly what I predicted a couple of months ago in one of the videos, and people were calling me delusional, people were calling me sick because I was predicting this when Bitcoin was traded at $73,000. You just need to understand the basic principle of how demand and supply in cryptocurrency really work. Now, reason number five, bearish market sentiment. Once again, all of these things combined have caused a shift in the overall sentiment of the cryptocurrency market. And now the cryptocurrency market sentiment is generally bearish instead of bullish. So if we go back to CoinMarketCap again and look at the fear and greed index, you can see that the fear and greed index used to be somewhere around in the green. Right here, people were super greedy. I remember a couple of weeks ago, it was at 93% or maybe 94%. Now it stands at 38. That means people are in fear. And when people are in fear, they start panic selling. That causes FOMO, that causes a lot of other problems. And this is kind of a loop. Now, all of these things are fine. I totally understand the market sentiment, the people cashing out, the liquidation problems and everything. But I just want to show you a chart quickly, which is by CoinMarketCap, and this has basically combined all the previous halvings with this halving. And I just want to show you that what exactly the trend recommends. So right after halving, we just had halving, which was a fourth halving. There is always a sudden decline in the price. Now, I have seen this in the last two halvings myself. It is kind of a scripted thing where people will be taking advantage of the higher price due to halving, due to news and everything, and the price will suddenly chop off. It will go down and people will start selling, which will cause the price to even go down further. Now, once the price goes down further, these investors, they buy in more Bitcoin, more of Ethereum, more of crypto, and the price obviously goes back up. So in a way, the market is manipulated by these whales, these actors, and obviously this manipulation has caused the Bitcoin price to go to 75,000. There was no way on earth that Bitcoin price could have touched $75,000 in 2024 without the support of these whales or ETFs or BlackRock, etc. Now the major question, will there be another bull market in 2024 and 2025 or not? And what is my price prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Yes, there will be another bull market by the end of this year. My prediction is by late October the price will start going up. Maybe at the end of September, the price will start rising slowly, and we might see a new all-time high for Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of December or New Year's. The trend will continue to rise, and my prediction is that we will see the ultimate all-time high for Bitcoin for this cycle in February or March 2025, where the price might touch somewhere around 120,000 US dollars per Bitcoin, and for Ethereum it might go as high as 7,000 to $8,000. According to my prediction, according to the tokenomics and everything, Ethereum price might not touch $10,000 in this cycle, and Bitcoin price might not touch 150K in this cycle. So believe in the people who have invested in Bitcoin, like BlackRock. They are the major manipulators when it comes to cryptocurrency market. They have invested billions of dollars into this technology and they want to see this one go really high. So just hodl all your crypto for the next 6 months and you will be rewarded for this. Once again, I hope you find this video useful. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the like button, click the bell icon, and if you're interested in learning how to launch your own cryptocurrency on a decentralized exchange or through a pre-sale or ICO, then go ahead check out my course Coincraft Blueprint at coincraftblueprint.com. The link is in the description. Now, this course is also available on Udemy. Again, the link is on the description. This is one of the best courses out there when it comes to launching your own crypto token through an ICO phase. Or if you're interested in learning how the crypto rug pulls or scams really happen behind the scenes, step by step, then check out the other course, Decoding Crypto Rug Pulls, a complete guide. This is one of a kind course on the internet available. And both these courses are available on my website, coincraftblueprint.com, and these courses are available on Udemy as well. Make sure to check these out. Both of these courses are on sale for a limited time only. Go enroll now, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.